Welcome to our training video. By the end of this session, you will know exactly how to import products into IDMC from an Excel file for a seamless experience. Let's get started. Once you have logged into your IDMC dashboard, look towards the left side and find the Import section. When you click on Import, you will see an option to import products from File. Go ahead and select File. After you select File, a new window will appear, prompting you to upload an Excel file. Make sure the Excel file is formatted correctly for best results. Go ahead and click the Choose File button. Here you simply follow the prompt and select the file. At this point, you will see a button that says Start Import. Select Start Import. Once you've made your selection, make sure to map all product data correctly. This step is crucial for ensuring all information is accurately transferred. When you're done mapping, click on the Save Data button. Now select the Proceed to Import button. This will start the importing process of bringing your products into IDMC, and you'll see a message confirming that your products have been successfully imported. Take a moment to view your products to confirm that everything has been imported successfully. If you see your products listed, congratulations! You've successfully imported products into IDMC from an Excel file. If you need any help, please reach out to our support team, who will be happy to assist you.